my channel and welcome back to another video. This isn't my usual weekly Saturday upload. I'm uploading this, I don't know, as soon in the middle of the week on a Monday or something, and I had to make this video because today is the 9th of December and the Eras tour ended today, like for Indians on the 9th, but otherwise it ended on the 8th because it was in Canada. And I had to make this video talking about it because I just feel that there are so many emotions attached to it, and yeah, like I needed to speak about it somewhere. So first of all, if you're not a Swiftie, you can skip and you can move on. If you're a Swiftie, you can stay here and listen to me talk about the Eras tour and what all I felt about it, and yeah, and what all has gone, like what all has happened in the past 2 years of the Eras tour being there. The most insane time for Taylor Swift, and you all know I'm a Swiftie. I'm already wearing my Eras tour sweatshirt that I got when I went for the show. So if you all don't know, the Eras tour literally is the biggest tour of her life that has ever happened, like the biggest concert of her life. It's been going on for almost 2 years, like 21 months and 1 year in preparing. So overall 3 years of her life have gone behind this tour, and it's like literally every era of her life. That's why it's called the Eras tour. So all her albums together at one time. Usually she doesn't do this. Usually she does separate tours for separate albums, but this one is like for every single album out there, her entire career. So that's why it's such a big deal, and you'll obviously know, even if you're not a Swiftie, you'll know the scale that it is at. It's so grand, it's so like out there. It's literally the biggest concert ever. Everything is like, the dancers are great, the band is great, the music is amazing, the crew is great, the lights are amazing, the choreographies, wow, the stage lights and the stage choreographies, everything is insane. It's literally the biggest concert for her and the biggest thing in her life. Like this is like she has been at the peak of her career while the Eras tour was going on, like the highest she's ever been at, and obviously we all know that. So the Eras tour started last year 2023 in March, and it went across like all around the world, literally every single place but India. I feel so sad about that, but at least I got to go. So yeah, USA to South America to Japan to Australia to Singapore to like Europe, all across Europe, then back to US, and then finally it ended in Canada. And I have felt so many things today while watching the live stream, and let me tell you what this means to me. I have been watching the Eras tour live streams all year round. Like even before I went to the Eras tour, I was watching it on the live stream, so I exactly knew what's gonna happen. I've watched the Eras tour movie also, and so many times on Disney Plus Hotstar also. So it was always like, it was literally a tradition that it had become, like every time there's a show, you go and you watch the live stream, then you guess the surprise songs, you guess what she's gonna say, you guess what outfit she was gonna wear. It was like such a big deal for Swifties, and I don't know, some of y'all might not relate to this, but honestly it's been like the craziest year, and like she has given us so much during the Eras tour. Literally she released an album while performing at the Eras tour. Like the album was made that time and she released it that time. I mean, who has the time to do that? But she did it, and then she performed that album also. So isn't that like wild? And now I am literally seeing all these Eras tour edits on my Instagram, and it's making me cry. Like since morning I've been like so sad. Already shed a few tears behind this, but like it's such an iconic moment, guys. We don't know when we're gonna get another tour or when we're gonna get anything else. So, and now talking about what next, like what next do I think is gonna happen. Like after the Eras tour, for sure Taylor is gonna be taking a big break, like quite a long break after the Eras tour, because she deserves it. I mean, she's been doing this constantly for 2 years without any break. Almost every weekend there's a show, barely a few breaks in between, but now she needs a long break, so I think she's gonna go on a break. Talking about Rep TV, I don't think we're gonna get it for a while. Like she's been hinting at it, but it's not gonna come so soon. Before that, I feel that we are going to be getting an Eras tour documentary super soon for sure. Like I feel very soon, maybe like in the next few months. And also maybe a second Eras Tour movie. Like we already know there's one movie, but I think we're gonna get one more, like the updated version of the movie after DTPD was added, because you all saw like this whole weekend when she was performing, she was being filmed all around. So for sure they were filming a movie or the documentary, and I'm so excited for that, getting to know what all happened behind the tour, how it went by, what all she has thought about, like the minute details, why wear a particular outfit on that day, what's the reason behind singing this song, and like the choreographies and everything, knowing about those details. I also feel that on 13th December, that is Taylor's birthday, which is coming up, I don't know if she'll announce something, but something special might be there, because I just feel that she will do something on her birthday. And also because she gave us a big Easter egg about it during TTPD, she gave us a big Easter egg about 13th December. So I feel something is happening on that day. I'm not sure about it, I'm not gonna clown for it, but you never know. Today's show, I know there were no announcements and like there was nothing special like that happened, but I feel that's just fair because it was the last night of the Eras Tour and she wanted to live it like every other night, like just make it like the other nights of the Eras Tour and nothing special about it, like just do it as she always does it. And I think that's what's special about it. And obviously the surprise songs were insane. I actually guessed like three of them right. Long Live Manuscript and New Year's Day, I guessed all three of them. Didn't guess them in the right order, but I at least guessed them right. Something coming for sure, because we didn't get any announcements and like we have so much to look forward to as Swifties, like so much that is still left from her to give us, which is gonna come in the near future. And also the end when all the dancers and Taylor did the last and final bow, that was like the sweetest thing ever, and they all got into a group hug together. Like, I mean, I literally was like so emotional that time because they never do the group hug, they just do the bow and then they leave, and Taylor also exits at the same time. But this time they were in a long hug for like a few minutes, and Taylor personally hugged every single band member and dancer, and that was literally the sweetest thing ever. And then usually she goes down the stage, but this time she walked and all the way behind the stage and went through the door on the exit, and I don't know, there was just something special about that. Like, and she was happy while she went, so she knew that it's not the end of something more is coming. So I think that's how we need to look at it and not get like really sad. But obviously I just feel so grateful to have been part of such an iconic time in her life, like the Eras Tour, like to live it and experience it, because like I'm sure even if you're not a Swiftie and you go for the concert, you would become a Swiftie for sure, because it's so insane and every single thing out there, like the smallest things make you wonder about how smart she is, and like she's literally a mastermind. Everything has thought behind it and it's not just done like that. And I think what we need to look forward is now she'll obviously make a post about the Eras Tour after it, like the ending, like a goodbye post, and we need to see what she writes in that, because that will be a lot for us to like think about, like what's coming next and all. I don't know, I literally have no more words, like I don't know what more to say. And also the fact that she wore the same outfit for the last 3 shows, like she didn't change her outfits, all the outfits were same for 3 consecutive shows, and she was being filmed so that we are for sure getting a documentary or a movie, because she was doing that for continuity, so she could use any of the shots wherever she wanted. So that was like, that's one good thing. But I was also disappointed because I wanted to see her in all the other outfits also for the last time, and we didn't get to do that. We didn't know we were saying goodbye to those outfits, but it's okay, we are getting something in the end. I just want to thank her for giving us this insane experience of a lifetime, the Eras Tour, most cherished time, and like literally like a musical. It's literally a musical, there's nothing else I could call it. And she has done so much for it, so much effort behind every single thing, and so many people at the Eras Tour, like the band and the crew and all, have given their lives to it. Like they have been touring across the world for 2 years without like she has literally performed in the rain, in the cold, in the heat, in every single possible weather, and it's never like she's sick so she won't perform today and she'll cancel a show. It's never been that way. It's always performing your best, and you can never tell if something's wrong with her because she's always giving her best. And I feel that's like some pure dedication out there, and I really look up to that kind of like attitude, and I think we all should have it. And yeah, I'm just gonna end the video right here by saying that I just wanted to come out here and speak about the Eras tour, because there was so much going on in my mind and so much like what's gonna happen, and like so many emotions, because it was so close for me. Like I know some of y'all might not relate to this at all, but the ones who do, y'all know, y'all get it. Eras tour has helped so many people, like so many countries' economies have been boosted because of the Eras tour. Like people have literally begged Taylor to come and perform in their country so that their economy gets boosted. And yeah, she has literally, everywhere she goes, so many things happen, and people travel across the world for her, so you can literally tell how insane she is. Like, I feel so grateful that I went to see it. I still can't believe at times that I saw it, but yes, I did, and that was like the craziest time of my life. Also, I think highlight of my year was watching the Eras tour, and I'm so lucky that I got to do that. If you want me to make more Taylor Swift videos about Easter eggs, or like what I think is gonna happen, or like anything related to her, I am down to do that for sure. And yeah, I will see you super soon and in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you Eras tour. I love you Taylor Swift. Bye.